Welcome to the video on how to import data from ArcGIS Online. We will start with importing foliage areas from a public feature service at ArcGIS Online. To import public feature data from ArcGIS Online as areas, hover over Areas in the ribbon bar and select Import Geodata. Once the wizard is ready, click Next to begin. In this step, we will search a feature service using the ArcGIS Online Catalog service. Select this option and click Next. In this step, we can select or add a new catalog service. Catalog services can be used to find online data services. Select the ArcGIS Online Catalog service and click Next to continue. In this step, we can click on the search button to find services with data for our project area. Optionally, you can search on keywords. Select the field and type Tree Foliage. The service name Tree Foliage City Center will appear under ESRI Open Data. Selected it and click Next. In this step, an attempt will be made to obtain features from an ESRI feature service. We select the only layer that is available from this service and keep the coordinate reference system as it is. Optionally, the query statement can be adjusted to request a specific subset of features. However, this is rarely needed. Once the features are obtained successfully, click Next. In this step, the foliage areas available from the service are visualized in the project area. This feature service only provides foliage areas for the city center, which is what we expected. Click Next to continue. We want to import every feature, so we click Next. The areas can be imported as new areas. Again, we click Next. The names are automatically based on the name attribute, which is acceptable. Select Next to continue. This step reports all area attributes that are available to import. We keep all of the attributes selected and continue. We are now ready to add the features as areas into our project. Click Finish to finalize the process and close the wizard. Once closed, click on the Areas button in the ribbon bar to inspect the added areas. Scroll through the foliage areas and notice that around 500 areas have been added. Optionally, we can add an areas overlay to visualize these areas. Hover over Overlays in the ribbon bar and under Geodata, select Area. With the area overlay selected, click on the Add Areas with Attribute button in the bottom of the Overlays detail panel. In the Attribute Selection panel, select an attribute that has been identified while importing the areas in the Geodata wizard. Click Add to automatically select all areas that have this attribute. Now zoom to the city center and validate that the areas have been added. We will now add foliage data that is only available to our organization on ArcGIS Online. First, we will need to log into our ArcGIS account. Select the Community tab in the ribbon bar. Next, click on the Sign in with ArcGIS link in the ribbon bar. This opens the ArcGIS login panel. In this panel, we select the first option. Next, we are directed to the ArcGIS login page. Provide the login credentials. And click on the Sign in button to sign in. Once logged in successfully, the ArcGIS Online link will update with the logged in username. Next, we will open the Geodata wizard again to import areas. Select the current tab and hover over Areas to select Import Geodata. Once ready, click Next. Again, select the Catalog Service option and click Next to continue. With the ArcGIS Online Catalog Service selected, click Next. Notice that in this step a hyperlink has appeared with the name of the user that is logged in with ArcGIS. We are now able to search private and organizational content on ArcGIS Online. Select the text field and type Tree Foliage. Notice the Private Tree Foliage Feature Service appear under my ESRI organization. It will appear under my ESRI content when it is published by the logged-in user. Select the Tree Foliage service and click Next. Once the features have been obtained, click Next. In this step, the foliage areas available from the service are visualized in the project area. This feature service provided foliage areas for the whole project area. The steps to add these features to your project are the same as mentioned previously in this video. You have now learned how to search for services available on ArcGIS Online and import the data they provide into your project, as well as how to access private and organizational services by signing in with ArcGIS.